How to remove live events on Facebook. Start by opening up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Then, go to your profile at the top. Here, go to the Details section and tap on See About Info. Go to the Live Event section. Tap on See All beside it. You can view the live events over here. Tap on the three dots over the event you want to delete. Then, tap on Move to Bin. Tap on Move again to confirm. You have now successfully moved this live event to the bin. Items in your bin will be automatically deleted after 30 days. Following these steps, you can easily remove live events on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.